Tap Menu, General Settings, Printer Settings, then Custom Paper Setting. Select a number for the custom paper setting. Enter your custom settings name, then tap OK. Tap Change Reference Paper, tap Yes, then select a preset for a paper similar to the type you loaded. Tap Advanced Paper Settings to set your paper thickness, roll core diameter, and paper feed offset. Select other advanced options as necessary. To assign your custom paper setting to the paper you loaded, tap Paper Setting and choose your paper source. Then tap Change Paper Type, More Paper Types, and Custom Paper. Select the custom paper setting you'd like to use.